Save that for when you're a little bigger. Yeah. That's
Look
cute.
at the
That's really
pictures.
cute.
Look.
Oranges. That is cute, Megan. Very
And
nice.
look, I wrote you a note.
Oh, what's it say?
What
Merry
is that?
Christmas, Kate. It's love, mommy. That is cute. That's nice.
Or
What?
either a pimple really exploded off your face, or
No,
you
I'm
have
having-
some
I'm having-
snowflake
Oh.
right
Barbara's about to explain the pimple on her nose.
No, I've
apparently.
got some weird
wanna
thing
read
on
your
my
book?
It was like a big old chuck.
Yeah. You want to read that book?
This one? No.
What?
Do you want Grandpa to help you open a present?
You want Grandpa to read to you? No. Oh, that is big. You want Grandpa
Should I
to
open that for
that?
you?
That's from Carol and Tom.
Oh boy.
Want me to open this for you?
Nice.
This is for Katie. You want to open it?
Ooh. I hear Fisher
This-
Price.
Oh my goodness. Look at that baby.
Oh.
I've been
Should we
seeing
open it,
has
baby?
one like that.
It's Swiss. It's white.
Should I open
Baby.
it for you?
What color is the baby wearing? What color is the baby's
Your
towel?
way of not colored that way.
Yellow, right. Good job. That's cute, Megan. You did a nice
Then
job.
wake up, baby.
You do excellent coloring, Casey.
You stay inside the lines really well.
I was like, you missed the
Should I open
color.
it for
And
you?
she goes, no, it's Swiss. It's white.
What is that? Is that a baby? What's the baby's name? Huh?
Does the baby have a name?
Huh? Papa, open it. Yeah.